everyone, it's me, Elias. Thank you for 502 subscribers. It's been very great to have you all subscribing to the channel. So to celebrate that, I thought I'd bring back something that I made years ago. Trains and puppet pals made out of all those chariots. If you've subscribed to my channel and seen them in puppet pals, this time I'm going to be driving it inside of a fire truck, and a whole bunch of Pokemon are going to be riding it. So I hope you enjoy the video. So here I am inside of Puppet Pals, and this is the train. So this is the engine where I'm going to be driving. And there's going to be a whole bunch of Pokemon that are going to be riding it. Alright everyone, you can come on in. Pikachu, Pika! Char! Squirtle. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-sar. Yes, I do have a Jigglypuff puppet in Puppet Pals too. Does anyone remember me? Oh, Jimmy Squirrel. You're here too. Yep, I came back from one of my missions. The Ender Dragon had some babies, and I had killed them. Hooray! Great job. So now there are no more Ender Dragons. All right, so here I go. I'm gonna be your co-pilot, Elias. Thank you, Jimmy Squirrel. Now let's go. Char. Mander, char. Jigglypuff. Babasar. Squirtle. What's wrong, everyone? Squirtle. Oh no. And where's Pikachu? Oh, there he is. Pikachu! I found you. Looks like you and Jimmy Squirrel will have to be switching places. Wait, what? No! I want to stay inside the fire truck. It's okay, Jimmy Squirrel. Pika! Pikachu! Okay. So come on, everyone. I gotta get you all buckled back up. Squirtle. Jigglypuff. Char! Babasar. Oh, come on. Why do I have to be at the back? Babasar. Hey, you're being mean, Bulbasaur. Yeah, Bulbasaur. Can you please try and be nice to Jimmy Squirrel? He went on quests to stop the Ender Dragon. Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur! We gotta go after him. Squirtle! Char! Let's go save him! Oh no, Charmander! Squirtle. Okay, Squirtle. Howdy, dude. I'll take one. Whoa! What are you doing here? Sorry, sir. We were just looking for our friend Bulbasaur. Pikachu! Wait, what? Oh, Charmander's gone. Oh, his tail must have gone out while in the water. Anyway, let's go. Bazaar! Ah! Ah! Bazaar! Baba! There you are, Bulbasaur. Now let's get you out of here before anything else bad happens to you. Pika! Babasaur! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.